Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pizza from scratch. First, let's start with the dough. Mix flour, yeast, salt and water until it forms a smooth ball. Now, let the dough rise for about an hour. Perfect time to prep our sauce. For the sauce, blend tomatoes, garlic and herbs until smooth. Simmer for 20 minutes. Next, choose your favorite toppings. I'm going with pepperoni, mushrooms and bell peppers. Roll out the dough, spread the sauce and add your toppings generously. Bake in a preheated oven at 475 degrees Fahrenheit or 250 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes until golden and bubbly. And there you have it, a homemade pizza that's sure to impress. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy your pizza and happy cooking.